Several points were marked on a line, then one additional point was marked between every two neighboring points. This procedure was repeated 2 more times, so 3 times in total. As a result, 153 points were marked on the line. How many points were marked initially? Let's do an example. Let's say we have 2 points and we put a point in between them. Then the 2 is going to turn into 3. So let's keep track of this. So if we start with 2 points, we end with 3 points. If we start with 3 points now, we're going to put a point in between everything. That means we're going to have 5 points. And if we have 5 points, we put a point in between them, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points total. So the pattern that happens is we're going to do whatever amount of points we start with, we're going to double it and subtract 1. That seems to be working. And the idea is that you're going to put points in between other points, but you can't just double it, because if you double it, let's say if we have 6, and then you do another 6, so like, let's say, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Let's say these are the spots. Then you can put points in between. So you can put points at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And if you double, let's see, if you double the 6 dots, then you put the 12 over here. But this one is no longer going to be between the first 6 dots. So that's why it's twice the number of dots minus 1. Okay. So this is the formula, basically. And you can look at this explanation, but this covers it. So if there's k points, there's k minus 1 intervals that we're going to be putting the points in. So therefore, there's k minus 1 new points. And so we started with k points. There's k minus 1 new points that we added. So together, it's going to make 2k minus 1 points. So let's say we start with x points. That means after 1 repetition, we're going to have 2x minus 1 points based off the formula. And now we do this one more time. So we now start with 2x minus 1 point. So we're going to replace this x with the previous, which is 2x minus 1. So one way to think about this is like we have our p of x equals 2x minus 1. If we start off with x points, we're going to end up with 2x minus 1. So if we have 2x minus 1 now, that's going to be 4x minus 3 from over here. And now we want to do p of 4x minus 3, plug it back into this equation. That's 2 times 2x minus 1. Oops, sorry. No, this is 2 times 4x minus 3 minus 1. And so that's what we have over here, which simplifies to 8x minus 7. So after third repetition, we're going to have 8 times x minus 7 points. And we want this to be 153 points. So we're going to set that equal to 153. We'll add 7, divide by 8, and get that there were 20 initial points marked on the line.